Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add shading to openings using louvers, overhangs, and side fins. In the earlier tutorial, called Shading Using Standard Component Blocks, we showed you how to draw shading structures onto a building using standard component blocks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add louvers, overhangs, and side fins using the Model Data Input options. Solar shading can be applied to external windows and roof lights using the shading options here.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.